Hello, this is Maestro X, and I'm going to go over the Level 1 Academic Word of the Day output for Week 5, Quarter 4. Let's take a look at your flashcard. Output has two syllables, and the emphasis or stress is on the first syllable, out. So we say output, output. Make sure the T's are pronounced in both syllables. We have two definitions, both of them nouns that you need to learn. It can also be used as a verb. Let's take a look at your sentence. The academic sentence we have is, many writers' output decreases as they get older and run out of ideas. So in this first definition, it's just the amount of something that a person, a machine, or an organization produces. So here, it's the person that's a writer and how much he writes. Usually, most writers, they run out of ideas and they as they get older. So you can see this older man trying to think, what should I write about today? The second definition is the information results, etc., produced by a computer data output. So this is more in the technical field, okay, and is results information. So the other sentence example we have here is, scientists studied the output after the computers processed the data inputted. So you can see, and this is a nice old school picture of some of the older computers and the streams of data that would come out. A nice visual of the output of computers. Okay, again, both of these definitions can be used. You can use the verb form. So you can say the writer outputted less as he got older or she got older. And you can also use the verb form in the second technical definition, where you can say the computer outputted lots of data for the scientists to study. We have two synonyms for you to learn, production and turnout, and one antonym, the input, which makes sense. An input can be used as a verb and as a noun, just like output. Okay, you have two Spanish translations that are given, so be sure you remember both. And that is your Level 1 Academic Word of the Day. Be sure to write an original sentence using output as a noun, and write an original sentence using output as noun, and include an illustration on a separate card if you got this one wrong on your reassessment. Okay, happy studying.